Hi guys, welcome in Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nesli and in today's episode I will make mosaic cake balls. Here I have tea cookies. What I did, break in like little pieces. I have cocoa powder, sugar, milk, melted butter. I'm using today pistachios, but you can use any nuts what you want, and some shredded coconuts to roll the balls in it. First, I will prepare the sauce. For that, I'm gonna take my milk, my sugar, my butter, and my cocoa powder in my mixing bowl. Stir them good together. After I'm sure that everything is mixed good together, I take my mixture and pour it over my tea cookies. And just stir them together, and also add my pistachios in it and mix everything together until my cookies absorb all of the liquid. After everything is mixed together, I take little piece of my dough and just roll it to a ball, and then I roll my balls in my shredded coconuts that they are covered. I did roll all of my mosaic cake balls. Before I'm gonna serve them, I will put them in the fridge for at least an hour. My mosaic cake balls were now in the fridge for an hour. I really like this recipe because it's fast, simple and easy. You can make a big batch and just freeze them, and anytime if you have any sweet cravings, you just take one out, let it thaw for 5 to 10 minutes and then it's ready to eat.